Welcome to InJamaica, and if this is your first time here, please subscribe, click the notification bell and stick around to see places in Jamaica. This video is aimed at giving you a general overview, but you can check the video description for added information. Currently, we are driving west from Agualta Valley towards Albany, St. Mary Parish. We are driving on the A3 Agualta Vale to Martins Road, also the Northern Coastal Highway. Entering Albany. The sign on the left reads, "You are now leaving Albany." On the left is the old road, which will take you to the other section of the community. Crossing Waters River. On the left is the other end of the old Albany Main Road, entering Martins. Crossing the Stony River. Please remember to subscribe to InJamaica. Give us a like and share, and thank you all for watching.